Hi everyone, I want to make a review of this toolbox, which I always keep in my car in the case that I should fix things on the road. The brand is called DEKOPRO. Let me see what tools we have here. This is for your bits. And then we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 millimeters. Measuring tape. Very small screwdrivers. A plier. And you can change the size like this. It's multifunctional. A hammer, ratchet with all the different sizes, and these are some spare plugs. And a few screws as far as I can see. You can get this on Amazon. We'll put a link in the description. I can recommend it. I used it a few times this far. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.